In this video, I'll show you how to get the 3% cashback credit card with Robinhood Gold step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Robinhood website, then log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your profile icon and go to the Settings section. From there, select Robinhood Gold and make sure your Gold subscription is active, since the credit card is available to eligible Gold members. Next, look for the Credit Card or Cash Card section in the menu. If the card is available to you, you'll see an option to apply or join the waitlist. Click on Applied or Join Waitlist to continue. Now, fill in the required details like your income and personal information, then submit your application. After approval, you'll be able to view your virtual card details and start using it for purchases. The 3% cashback is automatically applied on eligible spending and can be tracked in your card activity section. That's how you can get and use the Robinhood Gold credit card for cashback rewards. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.